Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off Talkback on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know what Talkback is, so yeah, the Talkback mode is an accessibility feature that designed to help people who are blind or have low vision to use the cell phone. And when the talkback is enabled, items on the screen are outlined with a focus box, and the device will read aloud what's on the screen, enabling eyes-free navigation. And how to turn it off is very easy. So yeah, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first go to settings menu while double tapping, and then scroll down by two fingers like this, and then go to accessibility. You can tap and you can double tap it, and then go to talkback, double tap it, and then now you can turn it off. Double tap it like this, and then click turn off, and then so yeah, your talkback is turning off. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.